Hi people, and welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be showing you how to make fluffy akara that is light, it's airy and does not have oil in it. Can you like my channel? Give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and let's get down to it. So now you're going to puree your beans with little water until it's soft. You can also add your onions and pepper and blend smooth, but I prefer adding coarsely blended onions and peppers. And then you're going to whip in air. You can either use your hand mixer like I'm doing, you can use mortar and pestle, or you can use the bottom of a spoon. This hand mixer is always so annoying because the whole place will be messy and I have to clean it. Now once you have done this, in a pan you're going to heat up your oil. Then you're going to transfer some of that paste into a smaller bowl and then add your salt and mix it and then fry. The reason why you do this in smaller batches rather than adding salt in the whole batter is to prevent the separation of water from the beans itself. Because I'm sure some of you would have noticed that whenever you put salt and then you mix, after a while you just look at your batter and then it's like you can see the separation. So you fry your akara until it's golden brown. And that's it, guys. Your akara is ready. You do not need eggs, you do not need flour into your akara batter to get that fluffiness. Thank you for going on this journey with me. Until next time. Mwah.